Some properties just have a good feel to them, and this is definitely one of those places. Located just a few minutes outside of Muscatine, this 42-acre ranch property offers a really unique combination of beautiful country living, quality improvements, and a ton of versatility for the next owner. As you come down the private lane, you're welcomed by rolling green pastures, mature white oaks, and some incredible elevated views overlooking the Mississippi River Valley. It's peaceful, private, and exactly the kind of setting people picture when they dream about moving to the country. The home itself has been fully remodeled and updated, with large windows that keep you connected to the land and let those views become part of everyday life. When it comes to the buildings and infrastructure, there's a lot to appreciate here. If you're a horse enthusiast, there's a lighted outdoor arena, horse stalls, and a heated and air-conditioned tack room already in place. For cattle or livestock producers, the setup includes a newer cattle building and working pens designed for efficient livestock handling. But what really makes this place interesting is how many different ways it could be used. I'm Chase Burns, proudly representing premium farms, ranches, and rural properties across northwestern Illinois.